it takes off the makeup right away. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. In today's video, I will be sharing my nighttime skincare routine. As you guys can see, I have a full face of makeup on. I'll be removing all the makeup and putting on the products that I use right before I go to bed. So if you want to know what those are, stay tuned. Before I go ahead and do anything with my face, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair because then it'll get in the water. And then I'm gonna take off my earrings. Honestly, it feels so great to take your makeup off. It's just very relieving. I don't know why. Okay, so first things first, I use these makeup remover cleansing towels, and they are from Target. They're like a, like off-brand. They are actually really good. They're comparable to Neutrogena. I just use one toilette, or however they say it. Just one of these is really all I need. And when I run out of these, I actually use the micellar cleansing water, which is great. You just get some cotton pads and add 1 or 2 drops and rub it all over your face. But today we'll be using the wipes, and it's just taking out all of that makeup. Wow guys, look at before and after. No makeup and makeup. I always like to do this when I'm removing my makeup just to see how different I look. I do have my mascara on in this eye. I haven't taken it off, but you can still see the difference. Crazy. And I actually have a pimple right here, so bear with me. It really hurts. I've been putting acne medication on it. It just hasn't gone away. That is my life. Wow, look at how much makeup I had. Now that I've removed pretty much most of the makeup with the wipies, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with this salicylic cleanser. This is from a new brand at Sephora that I'm trying out. It's called the Inky List. It's very comparable to the Ordinary, and the price point is great. It's like $6, $7, $10 for the different products. So a little goes a long way. I'll add a little bit and then rub it all over my face. As you guys can see, it doesn't foam up as much. Even though my face is damp, but I really do like the way this cleanses. So I pretty much massage my face with the cleanser for a minute. One of the estheticians that I actually follow on Instagram said that the key to really getting that glowy skin and, really maintaining your skin is to rub the cleanser for a minute, no less than that. Now I'm just going to wash my face, and then we're going to go ahead with the rest of the products. So I'm patting my face. You want to be very gentle when you pat your face. You don't want to rub your face. So now the face is squeaky clean, and I'm gonna go ahead and use, for the first time ever, these Dr. Dennis Gross Daily Peels. People have been raving about these, and there's a step 1 and a step 2. Step 1 is to exfoliate and smooth. Basically, you rub it until it's completely dry, wait 2 minutes, and then you do the second step. And these are really great for textured skin. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a lot of little pimples underneath my skin, blackheads and whiteheads in my nose area, and this is supposed to help tremendously. So let's go ahead and do the first part. It's this little wipey here, and basically the instructions read, for optimal use, use daily, AM or PM. First time PO users may apply every other day. Massage step 1 onto clean, dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes, repeat with step 2. All right. And you have to be careful with your eye area because this is a chemical peel, so you don't want to irritate the eye. So basically it's almost dry and I already feel like a tingling sensation. It feels like something is working, and it's not really like burning, but it is kind of like, I don't know, something is going on, which I kind of do like, because then you know that something is working, as opposed to you applying it and just not feeling anything. You kind of feel like, oh, I don't know if this is doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I do appreciate it. I hope that these do work, because if they do, then I'll buy the entire pack. It's like a huge pack. I forget how many they bring, but it's 150 bucks. I know it's pricey, but if it's worth it, I'm all for it, especially because it's skincare. I'm more prone to spending money on skincare rather than makeup, because I always believe that if you have a good foundation, then you can apply high-end drugstore makeup. No matter what makeup you apply, it'll look good. I wish I had one of those little face fans, that way I can just dry it up real quick. I'm gonna have to use my hands, but I do feel the sensation. I do feel it. Okay, my face is completely dry now. Now we're gonna go with step 2. And again, it's the same thing. Actually, I might have spoken too soon, because now I feel kind of like burning, like a burning sensation. Something is going on. We know something is going on. Something is cooking up in this kitchen over here of my face. I kind of want to apply ice cold water on my face because I do feel the sensation, but you know what? This will pass, especially once I put on my moisturizer. I feel like I'll feel much better. Wow, my face is super sensitive. You can already see the redness around the nose, this cheek area, so many things. All right, we have to let it dry again for 2 minutes. I got like 3 weeks worth of samples, so I'm gonna use it once a week. Let's see how I feel once I, hit like the 3 week mark. But if it does work, I'm gonna be so happy, because I'll get rid of these blackheads. My face will be like a baby face. Like, it'll get rid of all the texture. I'm already hype about it, and it hasn't even happened, All right. My ultimate favorite toner is this black tea kombucha toner from Fresh. Super soothing. So I'm just gonna apply. And one key thing when applying toner, instead of using a cotton pad, which basically absorbs all the product and barely leaves anything to the face, is to add it to your own hands. So this was taught to me by one of the reps from Sephora a long time ago. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3 droplets, and then I'll rub it and then pat. Easy peasy. So the patting actually makes it easier to absorb and penetrate to the skin, which is key. And after I learned this, I stopped using cotton pads, because I realized that I was adding much more product to the cotton pad than my face was actually absorbing, and it was just basically wasting product. So I strongly urge everyone that does use cotton pads to try this out, because I feel like you'll thank me later. Okay, now that we've applied the toner, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Collagen Booster from the Inky List. And again, a little goes a long way. 2 droplets actually, all over the face. So that's already set in and dried. Now I'm going to go in with my caffeine eye cream, also from the Inky List. You don't even have to squeeze much out, because there's already some coming out at the top. So just a little bit. and then just pat it in. And I like to do it at the lid as well, because it's part of the eye. Same thing here. Pat, pat, pat. Now we'll go ahead with the moisturizer. I usually use the CeraVe PM moisturizer, but I ran out of that one, so I've been using the AM one. And this actually has SPF 30, which is great for when you're going outside, but because I don't have the nighttime one, I'm gonna use the daytime one. And just one pump, and then you just apply it all over your face. Now that I've applied the moisturizer, the last step is the lips. I use this Laneige, however you pronounce it, lip sleeping mask, and it is great. So I just apply a little bit all over my lips and just let that sit for the rest of the night. Feels so nice. Feels like I'm at a spa. Rub that in. Ta-da! Now you have seen my full nighttime skincare routine. I am ready to go to bed, ready to just knock out and wake up just feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked my skincare routine. Please, please, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is the only way to support me and my channel, and it really means the world to me when you guys do that. So don't forget to do that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.